Hi there, this is Eve here. Today we're going to fix Play Store keep opening again and again or keep crashing issues on Android. If you're having this keep restarting Google Play Store again and again problem with Android device, please follow only 2 easy ways to solve these issues. Solution number 1. Open setting. Scroll down to Google, tap on arrow icon, tap on manage account on this device, scroll down to Google, choose your Google account, tap more, tap remove. After that, open your Play Store. Re-log in your Google account. And after that, check your issues. If your issues is not solved by now, follow the second solution. Solution number 2. Open setting, scroll down, navigate to apps, tap on manage apps, find Google Play Store. Tap on app permission. Allow your files and media, after that tap back. After that, tap back. Now choose clear data. Tap clear cache and clear all data. After doing this, go ahead and tap uninstall update. Tap OK. After doing this 2 process, your issues will be solved. If you're still having the same issue, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.